Welcome to your 90-day roadmap to refine your skills and level up your career. Whether you're just starting out or looking to break through the next barrier, this plan will guide you step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, your mindset. Your attitude shapes your success. For the next 2 weeks, focus on developing a growth mindset. Read powerful books like Mindset by Carol Dweck. Reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, and fears. Remember, success starts in your mind. Now, let's get practical. From week 3 to week 6, it's time to skill up. Choose 1 or 2 relevant skills based on your career goals. Take online courses, build side projects, and stay consistent. Learning without application is wasted effort. Skills alone aren't enough. You need people. In weeks 7 to 9, focus on building your network. Attend online events, join LinkedIn groups, and reach out to peers and mentors. Don't be shy. Genuine connections open doors. Now it's time to be seen. From week 10 to 12, work on your personal brand. Update your LinkedIn profile, start sharing your learning journey, and even consider launching a personal blog or portfolio. You are your best product. Market yourself. This is where the magic happens, execution. After week 12 and beyond, it's all about taking action. Apply your skills in real-world projects, freelance gigs, or open-source contributions. Ask for feedback, learn fast, and keep improving. Here's the full 90-day summary. Week 1 and 2, focus on mindset. Week 3 to 6, learn and build. Week 7 to 9, grow your network. Week 10 to 12, polish your brand. And after that, execute, improve, and win. Success is a habit. Start building it today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a career boost. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey starts now.